Living in a remote area surrounded by nature can offer numerous benefits. One, peace and quiet. Remote areas typically offer a tranquil environment away from the noise and hustle of urban life. Two, connection to natural. Living close to nature can enhance your well-being, offering opportunities for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and wildlife observation. 3. Fresh air and clean water. Remote locations often have less pollution, leading to better quality air and water. 4. Privacy. Fewer neighbors and lower population density can provide a greater sense of privacy and personal space. Five, lower cost of living. In some cases, the cost of living can be lower than in cities, especially for housing. Ultimately, whether living in a remote area surrounded by nature is good for you depends on your personal preferences, lifestyle, and priorities. It's important to weigh these factors carefully before making such a choice.
Hai đẹp không? Ta bọn anh tao khơi nhưng nia thẻ nhìn nia nó cốm. cái này